Welcome to 9642 Greenbank Drive, Riverview, Florida 33569. This stunning home boasts Windward Street George floor plan with a bonus room, spanning over 3,077 square feet. With 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths arranged in a unique 4-way split of separate suites, this home provides ample space and privacy for every member of the household. The upstairs bonus room is perfect for entertaining guests or creating a home office or gym. Conveniently located close to A-rated schools, shops, restaurants, and commuter routes, this home offers easy access to everything you need. The neighborhood is gated, providing a safe and secure environment. The lush lawn and concrete-edged planting areas provide great curb appeal. The fenced yard offers privacy and security, while the 3-car garage provides ample storage space. Relax by the pool or on the screened lanai, perfect for hosting outdoor gatherings or enjoying some peace and quiet. The new roof installed in 2020 adds to the home's value and peace of mind. The fresh landscaping in 2023 adds to the home's curb appeal. The kitchen has been recently remodeled and upgraded in 2022 with all new stainless steel appliances, including a gas stove. The master bath has been remodeled in 2023. This home is located in a friendly neighborhood with nearby parks and amenities like tennis courts, basketball courts, and playground. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Contact us today to schedule a viewing.